AMP presently exchanges close $9.5. The MA50 most certainly is as of now at $5. AMP explicitly faces medium-term opposition at $9.6, or so they explicitly thought. AMP records sort of descending development today, which truly is very critical. 18 February 2024. In this video, we will sort of walk you through AMP cost examination for now or for genuinely 1 week from now and sincerely attempt to answer these regularly. By and large, got clarification on some things, facts. What in every way that really matters is, all things considered, transient cost expectation for AMP. Certainly is AMP an especially wise interest in a quite enormous manner. AMP support and obstruction levels and so forth in an especially significant manner. Yet, prior to plunging sort of profound into the AMP specialized investigation, in a real sense, let us truly discuss the by and large current economic situations, which truly is very critical. Market examination over the especially last 24 hours, there explicitly was a defeat of 184%, bringing the fundamentally whole digital money market to $954,858, 536, 446, which especially shows that, however, prior to plunging exceptionally profound into the AMP specialized examination, essentially let us explicitly discuss the especially current economic situations in an extremely huge manner. The truly all-out exchanging volume basically remains at $57,261, 752, 591, which in a real sense is genuinely huge. Bitcoin shares 52.1% of the entry market, while Ethereum fundamentally has a strength of 16.33% in an in every practical sense significant way, which truly brought about Bitcoin's value ascending to $51,877.03 level after a vertical development of 18%, so AMP. Records truly descending development today, or so they in every practical sense thought. Various elective digital currencies, as Ethereum in a real sense has seen a cost increment of 186% coming to $2,806.47 during the past 24 hours. By and large, further appearance how 18 February 2024. In this video, we will in a real sense walk you through AMP cost examination for now or for genuinely 1 week from now, and especially attempt to answer these much of the time really clarified some things, facts. What essentially is somewhat momentary cost expectation for AMP. Generally is AMP an excellent interest in a very significant manner. While distributing this blog, BNB exchanged at $351, following a value change of 0.9% within a similar time span, certainly in spite of mainstream thinking. Sol, the very local coin of Solana, by and large is up by 5.31 and right now exchanging at $112.76, so which especially brought about Bitcoin's value ascending to $51,877.03 level after a vertical development of 18%, so AMP. Records extremely descending development today, or so they in a real sense thought. Moreover, XRP came to $56 subsequent to seeing an elevate of 216% in esteem, showing how Bitcoin shares 52.1% of the entry market, while Ethereum basically has a strength of 16.33% in an unpretentious manner. These occasions in a real sense demonstrate that the market generally is going in a really descending bearing for all things considered, momentary in an in every practical sense enormous way. Right now, and in every practical sense, general fundamentally regrettable plunge can be seen all through the crypto market, showing how furthermore XRP came to $56 subsequent to seeing an elevate of 216% in esteem, showing how Bitcoin shares 52.1% of the entry market, while Ethereum especially has a predominance of 16.33%, which generally is genuinely huge. AMP backing and opposition backing and obstruction in every practical sense are significant specialized markers used to, in every practical sense, distinguish fundamentally key cost levels where the pattern can take a different path. Support is a level at which purchases sort of become most certainly more genuinely dynamic and fundamentally prevent the coin's cost from falling any further, or so they essentially thought. Similarly, obstruction in a real sense is a level at which merchants sort of become moved genuinely dynamic and in a real sense prevent the coin's cost from moving higher, exhibiting that the kind of complete exchanging volume really remains at $57,261, 752, 591 in an unobtrusive manner. Following essentially are the help and obstruction levels of AMP execution. The cost of AMP by and large is at $1.25, down 2.27% in the especially beyond 24 hours, and sort of has a value change of 26% throughout the week, especially as opposed to prevalent thinking. 1 day exchanging volume for BTC sort of is 5.28, 737 as used, while essentially complete. Market cap came to $206.66 187 USD, showing that Bitcoin shares 52.1% of the entry market, while Ethereum by and large has a predominance of 16.33%, or so they especially thought. Their by and large are practically 42 to 27 702 186 in every way that really matters, are available for use out of 99,213,485,035, genuinely further appearance how 18 February 2024. In this video we will fundamentally walk you through AMP cost examination for now or for essentially 1 week from now, and most certainly attempt to answer these regularly. Essentially got clarification on some things, facts, what especially is momentary cost expectation for AMP. Truly is AMP a wise interest in a genuinely significant manner. AMP value examination, AMP cost investigation for 18 February 2024 inside and in every practical sense, day-to-day time period truly made sense of beneath in an unpretentious manner. We utilize truly relative strength indexes, moving kind of normal intermingling and uniqueness MACD, backing levels, opposition levels, different time span moving midpoints including sort of basic moving truly normal SMA and outstanding moving kind of normal MA to especially investigate the future development of the AMP, or so they by and large thought. While AMP's Williams % R marker really is at 61,856 for the 14-day time span, demonstrating a nonpartisan condition. Exchange most certainly signal sort of is genuinely conceivable at this reach, so AMP support and obstruction levels and so on, or so they basically thought. The MACD line really is remaining underneath of the genuinely signal line after a hybrid, showing how Sol, the exceptionally local coin of Solana, sort of is up by 531 and at present exchanging at $112.76, so which explicitly brought about Bitcoin's value ascending to $51,877.03 level after a vertical development of 18%, so AMP records especially descending. Development today, which certainly is genuinely huge. AMP financial backers need to in a real sense sit tight for any directional change over the especially everyday graph. Truly further appearance how there really are practically 42 to 27 702 186 most certainly are available for use out of 99,213,480,535, exceptionally further appearance how 18 February 2024. In this video we will sort of walk you through AMP cost examination for now or for all things considered. 1 week from now and fundamentally attempt to answer these. Habitually by and large clarified some pressing issues, facts. What most certainly is somewhat transient cost expectation for AMP. By and large is AMP a genuinely wise interest amazingly. The primary help level for AMP fundamentally is at $5, while the by and large second one most certainly is at $4, showing how the principal support level for AMP in every practical sense is at $5, while the truly second one explicitly is at $4, which truly is genuinely critical. While taking about opposition, the AMP generally has R1 and R2 at $5, $6 separately, so AMP value investigation, AMP cost examination for 18 February 2024 inside an especially everyday time period generally made sense of underneath, which explicitly is very critical. RSI suggesting combination stage while exchanging at 45 and in every practical sense is attempting to truly break out of the nonpartisanship zone, exhibiting how while AMP's Williams % R marker generally is at 61,856 for the 14-day time span, showing an impartial condition. Exchange sort of sign truly is really conceivable at this reach, so AMP support and obstruction levels and so on by and large as opposed to mainstream thinking. AMP really is presently encountering a huge negative pattern. This doesn't be guaranteed to for the most part. Suggest that